Hello everyone. Today I want to teach you how to use hashtag on Instagram. So how do you use hashtag on Instagram? On Instagram, you're allowed to use 30 hashtag, maximum of 30 hashtag on Instagram. First hashtag can be the brand name. The rest can be the brand name. That's the first hashtag. Can be the brand name. Another hashtag can be anything related to the post. So first hashtag brand name. The other hashtags can be anything related to the post. So let's do this. Um, I want to publish something for today. Let's say I want to publish something for today's what? Today is Saturday. So Saturday quote. This before I move on, let me explain this to you. This is a website for generating hashtags. Basically generate hashtag on Instagram, but the process is a little bit different from this because that is one by one. You do that one by one with auto generate. Let me show you that on Instagram so you understand this. Uh, this is Instagram desktop. You can publish on Instagram desktop. It wasn't possible back in the days, but now it's possible. So let me do something for you. So let's say we want to publish this. Next, next. So you can auto generate hashtag on Instagram like this. Hashtag. Uh, this is the brand name. Hashtag. Then the other hashtag related to the post. Hashtag Saturday. So you can auto generate. So you can pick from here. So look at the amount of people, the amount of posts must have been published with this hashtag. So you can select then Saturday night, Saturday vibe. There's a lot of them. So just continue typing Saturday, Saturday night, Saturday vibe. Anyone related. But why do I decide to use the two all hashtag? Let me tell you why I decide. The tool all hashtag will help you generate hashtags based on popular hashtags, which is this top hashtag, the popular hashtags, live hashtags that are currently live or random. So I would like to go for random. So now I want to generate hashtag for Saturday. So I'll click on generate. Now copy the hashtags. Then I'll go back. So I'll paste. So these are all the hashtags. Then I'll go through the hashtag. I'll delete those ones that are not related to the post. I like Saturday night. I like Saturday morning. Saturday vibe. Saturday fun. Saturday moon. Saturday for boys. Saturdays after afternoon. Saturday night. Saturday self. Saturday motivation. Saturday night live. Saturday evening. Saturday workout. Saturday all for boys. Saturday morning. Saturday fun day. Saturday night for night fever. Saturday style. Saturday bunch. I'll delete this. I don't need this. Saturday, I'll delete this. Delete this. So we have 28. Saturday field, Saturday morning cartoon, Saturday party, Saturday. I don't need this. So now we have 27. Saturday shopping, Saturday night in, Saturday breakfast, Saturday lunch. Then I'll put the brand name at the front. So now, how do I use it on Instagram? This is how I use this on Instagram. You put a caption. I love Saturdays. Enjoy your day. Let's go and enjoy your day. That's the caption. Then under the caption you put 30 dots. 30 dots under each, as in you make it, each dot should be in a new line. So each dot should be in a new line. Each dot should be in a new line. So this should be 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. So 30. Why are we doing this? Normally on Instagram, people like to hide the hashtag. Some people, I believe some people don't want to uh, they don't want to distract you with the hashtags. So this is what you might see, and here you might see something like more. Here, something like more. See more. This is what you might see as a post. If you click on see more, then you get to see the hashtag. But I also believe that some people they want to hide the hashtag. But if I'm doing this, basically, I don't want to distract you with the hashtags. I don't feel like hiding the hashtags anything because you can get it. So this is what these. You go back to the post and you put it here. So let's share and you see how it looks like. So let's check my profile for the post. So this is the post. Let's click on it. It look like this. So this is what they'll see. They want to see the rest, they'll have to go down to check it. And you can see we can't even scroll down here. We can scroll down to see the hashtags now. This is what they. So thank you for watching. Um, check my channel for other videos on Instagram and on social media. Um, and other digital marketing videos. You'll find videos on the tricks and the tips for mobile phones and laptop. So please subscribe. Bye.